We'll now use machine learning to train fields within a document definitions section containing only one variant. Later, we'll add more variants. First, we'll need to create a project. And then we'll create a very simple document definition. So here we go. A new document definition. And we'll load an image. And we'll navigate out and select an image. We will name our document definition QA report. Next, we'll create fields without regions. We'll create one called order number. And another one called date. For both these fields, we want to select the property can have region, because a region will be applied through machine learning training. Also, at the document section level, we need to ensure field location training is turned on. So allow field location training has been turned on here. Now we can save and publish our document definition. Field extraction training takes place appropriately in field extraction training batches, and we can switch to that mode right here or click View Field Extraction Training Batches. We can create a new batch, and we will select our document section. There's only one variant, so that was easy. Next, we'll load images into the field extraction training batch. I'll just take the first 5 here, and they'll be recognized after being added. I can now go in and specify field data locations. We're not going to correct any field data if we see any problems. Field extraction training is looking just to learn new field locations. So let me specify the order number, which is right there, and the order date. And the next document, order number, order date, and the next, order number, order date, order number, order date, order number, order date, and now we've processed the entire field extraction training batch. Having specified all the field regions, I can now train the field extraction training batch. Now we can test the field extraction machine learning within a working batch. We'll load up images. And we'll open up our batch and start to look at the results for these left images. And the results look good. For all 10 of these images.